equally bent. So if you move one more than the other, the hips move, but for now they're equal. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make sure your butt is not extended so your lower back hurts. You want to keep that tucked. You pull a knee back and squeeze the glutes on that side and pull that hip up. And at the same time, you bend the knee and the other hip goes down. So when you pull the knee back, if you pull it back sharp, the hip pops up sharp.
Oh. I know. And we also have this. Kaki, do the Indian style.
Oh wow. So everything else stays intact.
Huh?
Everything else stays intact, only the hips.
She doesn't even have flesh to move. If I move even this much, everything.
Karo.